In this video, I'll show how to fix in case you're having issues with the Bluetooth of your Sony AV receiver. If you're not able to connect it to your smartphone, computer, or any other Bluetooth devices, or if the connection cuts over time and it's not very stable, I'll show you a few different solutions so you get rid of these problems. So let's start with the first one. Every time you're having issues with your Sony receiver, one of the simplest trick that you can do first, before going any further, is to turn it off, unplug it from the wall outlet, and let it sit at least a few minutes. You can also press the power button to accelerate the capacitor drain so there's no more energy left in the unit. This will not delete anything, it's simply a reboot. We're starting fresh by making sure that there's no energy left in the unit. Then you can plug it back and try connecting your receiver to your device, and hopefully this time everything will work. If you're still having issues, the second recommendation, well, if you already connected the receiver to a device using Bluetooth, I suggest you disconnect it completely. So go on the settings, connected devices here. Obviously on your smartphone it may be slightly different, and if you see your receiver, disconnect yourself. So you may have a small eye icon or a small cogwheel like over here. Let's say this was my receiver, and select forget. Forget this device. We erase it completely from the memory of your smartphone, or again your computer or other device. Now on your receiver, turn it on, and I suggest you use the Bluetooth button on the front panel of your Sony. So tap on it once, and once you tap on this, you should see pairing flashing on the display with the blue pairing light flashing quickly. We're gonna start fresh. So once you see this, take your smartphone again or other device, go into the Bluetooth settings, select pair new device, or if you're on your iPhone, usually at the end of the Bluetooth list, you should see new devices that are currently trying to connect. Select your device. Over here, this is mine, STRDH590. Pairing, wait a few seconds. Select pair. And now it's active. Fortunately, this will fix your issue. And you see over here, you're going to see the name of your Bluetooth device. It will not cut. And you'll be able to listen to your music or watch movies. If you're still having issues, I recommend a factory reset. How do you do this? Well, first of all, put your Sony AV receiver in standby mode. So press the power button until the light over here is red. Then you're gonna press this power button, keep it pressed 8 seconds around until you see the over here on the display cleared. So let's do it together. I'm keeping this button pressed and I'm not releasing it until I see cleared appearing. Wait a few seconds, clearing. Okay, cleared. Once you see that, release the button, and now everything has been wiped out from the memory of your AV receiver. You can start fresh, so press the Bluetooth button again and connect yourself to your device. Unfortunately, this time it will work. If you have any other solutions to this issue, please type a comment down below. Or if one of these worked, I want to know as well. So type a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.